In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add stickers in Clipchamp step by step. If you want to make your videos more engaging, fun, or visually dynamic, stickers are a super easy way to do that. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even a school or business project, adding stickers can instantly level up your edits. I'll walk you through everything from opening your project to customizing your sticker on the timeline. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, head over to Clipchamp and open any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or select an existing one that you've already been working on. Once your project is open, you'll see the main editing interface with your preview window at the top, your timeline at the bottom, and the toolbar panel on the left-hand side. Make sure your video clips are already added to the timeline if you want to place stickers on top of them. If not, you can quickly drag and drop your media into the timeline before continuing. Now that your project is ready, the next step is to click on the Content Library. On the left sidebar of the Clipchamp editor, you'll see different tabs like Media, Record and Create, Text, and more. Look for the option labeled Content Library and click on it. This section contains stock assets that Clipchamp provides, including graphics, overlays, backgrounds, and of course, stickers. Once you're inside the content library, you'll see different categories you can browse through. To specifically add stickers, click on the Stickers category. This will display a wide range of sticker options, from emojis and reaction graphics to themed illustrations and animated elements. Take a moment to scroll through and explore the available designs. When you find a sticker you like, simply click on it or drag and drop it directly onto your timeline. Make sure you place the sticker track above your video clip on the timeline so it appears as an overlay. Once the sticker is on your timeline, you can customize it. Click on the sticker in the preview window, and you'll see resizing handles appear around it. Drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller. You can also click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the screen. If you want the sticker to appear only for a specific duration, adjust its length on the timeline by dragging the edges of the sticker clip left or right. This allows you to control exactly when the sticker appears and disappears in your video. You can even layer multiple stickers by placing them on different tracks, creating a more dynamic and expressive effect. Feel free to experiment with placement, size, and timing until it looks just right. Once you're happy with how your sticker looks, preview your video by pressing the play button in the preview window. This helps you make sure the sticker timing and positioning feel natural within your edit. And that's it. That's how you add stickers in Clipchamp, quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.